Yo, what's up? It's Chris. I'm show you guys the go-kart as promised. Here's a couple of the other little toys, right? You know about that already. Got the new Beamer. Copped that recently. 5 Series 2000 is what it is. 528i. It's legit. I put a cold air intake on it. I'll show you guys that in a different video. A little toy. I mean, we got some things over here, man. A little 86 Club, a little Charlie Beamer. This is what it's all about, though. This is what I'm gonna show you today. It's a little dusty, but once I fire this thing up, bro, it's so loud. It's like a dirt bike. I haven't ran it in a while, though. And it's raining, so this is gonna be legit. So, let's see, baby. Let's see if it fires on first try. Wet streets. She ain't ran in a minute. Yeah. See how bald the tire is? It's a small little guy. I got some stuff coming in for it. I got a Pittsburgh flag that I'm gonna put on the top. I got some LED lights, so when I'm riding at night, I don't die, because this thing is dangerous. Oh, stay fired up, baby. Let's take her for a spin, shall we? I'm gonna leave my keys right here. Alright. Choke is off. Yo, sorry, got cut off there. But I got her out. I'm gonna try and get it sideways while holding a camera. All right, here we go. Easy, boy. Flip this around. So it's a 6.5 Predator engine, 6.5 horsepower. I just put the Jumpman on there because I took all the other stickers off and wanted to put one of my own. But I just did a stage 1 upgrade kit, which is the exhaust, cold air. I added the little breather. A little fast guy. All right, took it out for a while, got wild, crashed it. Look what I got on my eyeball. Look, that just goes to show some leaf or some shit.